Shoulder mobility, supine 1 series. This series of exercises is used to restore mobility and flexibility in the shoulder after an injury or surgery where the shoulder was kept immobilized. For supine, you're going to lay on your back and hold a stick in both hands. Pull your shoulder blades down and back and have the affected arm stay totally relaxed. Keep the arms straight and then lift the arms up in front of you, going overhead as far as you can, and then return back to the starting position. You want to go slow and controlled and allowing the unaffected arm to guide the motion. Work in a pain-free range and don't feel like you have to push the range of motion in the first set. Next, you're going to work on abduction. So you change the placement of your hands slightly with the affected arm holding the end of the stick, and then raise the arm out 90 degrees to 110 degrees out to one side, and then bring back to the starting position. Again, keep the affected arm totally relaxed as you move the stick with the unaffected arm. Again, work in a pain-free range and slowly build your range of motion that becomes available. As you progress, you will be able to tolerate different ranges of motion and in different positions. The next exercise is neutral external rotation, which is a little bit more difficult than the first two. We're going to go back to the original holding position of the stick. Tuck your elbows to your sides and bend your elbows up to 90 degrees. And then you're going to rotate the affected arm out to one side using the unaffected arm to guide it, and then come back to center. Again, work in a pain-free range of motion. As range of motion and or pain improves, you'll be able to progress into external rotation at a 90-degree angle at the shoulder. So bring your shoulder up to 90 degrees, bend your elbow as well up to 90 degrees, and grasp the end of the stick with your affected arm. Use the other arm to push your hand back behind you, and then come back to the starting position. Again, only work in a pain-free range of motion.